Welcome back to the Real English Podcast. It is good to have you here today. Hello.
Hi. Sorry, I was somewhere else completely.
Yeah, I noticed. You seem really quiet over there. Are you mad at me?
What? No. I am not mad at you. Why would you think that?
Well, honestly, I was maybe 5 minutes late today,
Oh.
and the traffic was just awful. I thought maybe you were, angry.
Oh, no, not at all. Please don't worry about that.
Yeah.
I'm not mad, and I'm definitely not angry. I'm just,
bad.
well, I'm a little upset.
Why? What's wrong?
It's a small thing, really, but that's bothering me.
Yeah.
I lost my favorite pen.
Oh, no.
You know, the blue one?
The one with rubber grip, the really smooth one?
Yes, that one. I had it this morning, and now
Yeah.
it's just gone.
That's the worst feeling, when you know it has to be nearby, but you can't find it.
Exactly. So, no, I'm not mad at you. I'm just upset about my pen.
It doesn't sound silly at all. I totally get it. But, this is actually really interesting.
My missing pen.
No, well, that part is sad. But the words we just used, you said, I'm not mad and I'm not angry, but I am upset.
Huh. That's true. I did, didn't I?
And for so many people, those three words, mad, angry, upset, they can seem exactly the same.
You're right. They're all negative feelings, for sure. But they feel very different.
Right. Saying I'm angry about my pen would sound
It's a little strange. Yeah.
too strong.
Exactly.
So since you're already upset and I was worried you were mad, maybe we should talk about that today.
I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
The perfect topic. Let's do it.
Okay, so help me get a picture of this. When you say mad or angry, what comes to mind?
That's a good way to think about it. I think of heat or fire.
Fire, okay. Like a flame that just shoots up.
Yes, exactly. It's an active energy. It feels hot. It pushes outward.
I like that. So if I'm mad, I feel like I might, explode a little.
A little bit,
Yeah.
yeah. Your heart beats faster. You want to shout.
Okay. So mad and angry are fire. They're hot. What about upset then?
Upset is completely different. It's not fire. Think of it more like maybe a bruise or rain.
Rain. Oh, that feels very different from fire.
It's softer, right? It's not exploding out. It's a feeling inside. It's more about being hurt or sad. It feels heavy, not hot.
That makes so much sense. Mad is hot like fire. Upset is heavy like rain.
Exactly. With my pen, I didn't want to scream. I just felt a little sad, disappointed.
That's the rain.
That's the rain.
I get that. When I'm mad, my face feels hot. But when I'm upset, I just feel heavy. Like I want to sit down and just sigh.
Yes, that's the perfect way to describe it.
Okay, so let's start with the fire. Let's talk about mad.
Mad. Okay. This one is super common, especially in the U.S.
You hear it in movies all the time.
All the time. It's very casual. It's for that sudden flare of emotion.
Like an emotional explosion.
It is. Think about when you were a teenager.
Oh boy. I try not to.
Did you ever come home late?
Yes. Many, many times. And my mom.
So picture it. You walk in, an hour past your time, your mom is standing there. How would you describe her?
Oh, easy, I would say. My mom was mad.
Right. My mom was mad. It sounds so natural. It's a family thing, an emotional reaction.
She was definitely mad. Lots of hand waving.
If you said, my mom was angry, it's not wrong, but it sounds a little stiff,
Yeah, angry sounds too formal for that. Mad feels right. Hot and fast.
We also use it a lot with friends. It's a casual word.
Like if I accidentally ate your sandwich from the fridge.
Hey, if you eat my sandwich, I will be mad.
See? You just used it. You didn't say, I will be angry.
Exactly. It's like, I'm frustrated with you, but we're still friends. It's a temporary burst.
And then I would say, oh, I'm sorry. Please don't be mad.
Perfect. Don't be mad. It's such a useful phrase. It's soft.
I use that all the time. I forgot the milk. Don't be mad.
Yes. It's like you're trying to put out their little fire.
No, I've heard that in British English, mad can mean crazy.
Yeah, that's a good point. Traditionally, it means insane.
Like, are you mad?
Yes. But these days, with American TV and everything, the angry meaning is pretty much understood everywhere. We're focusing on that American style today.
Okay. So mad is the casual fire. Quick, hot for friends and family.
Correct. It's that immediate emotion.
So when do we use angry? If mad covers all that, why do we need angry?
Because angry is the serious fire.
The serious fire. Okay, that sounds more intense.
It is. It's more direct.
Yeah.
And usually, it's not a joke. When someone says they are angry, you should probably listen carefully.
It sounds more grown up.
It can be, or just more professional. Let's think about a workplace.
Okay, an office.
Imagine your boss finds a really big mistake.
Mm.
Somebody lost a huge client.
Uh-oh, that's bad.
Very bad. Now, the boss probably isn't yelling and waving their arms.
No, hopefully not.
They're probably sitting there looking very serious. Their voice is low and controlled.
That's way scarier than yelling.
And you would say, she was angry about the mistake.
She was angry. Yeah, that sounds right. It has weight.
If you say, my boss is mad, it sounds like she's just having a bad day.
Right. It'll pass.
My boss is angry.
Mm.
That means there's a real problem. There might be consequences.
I feel that difference. Angry feels more focused.
Focused is a great word for it. It's focused on the cause.
What about something like hearing bad news? Something in the world that feels wrong.
Another perfect time for angry. Like he got angry when he heard the news.
It sounds like it's about his values, not just a quick feeling.
Exactly. You don't usually say, I'm mad about the political situation.
Well, he could.
But I'm angry sounds much more serious.
So mad is like frustration. But angry is like, this is wrong.
That's a fantastic summary. Angry is serious business.
Okay. We have casual fire mad, serious fire angry. Let's go back to the rain. Upset. This one feels softer.
Upset is such a useful word. If you only learn one word today, this is a good one.
Why is it so useful?
Because it's safe. It lets you say you have a negative feeling without being aggressive.
We talked about your pen. You were upset.
Right.
A few years ago, I lost my phone. On a train.
Oh, that's a terrible feeling.
Awful. I got home, realized it was gone.
Were you mad?
Well, for a second, maybe. I was mad at myself, like, you idiot.
That little flash of fire.
Yeah. But mostly, I just felt sick and sad. All my photos, you know?
That is upset.
I was upset when I lost my phone.
It's a hurt feeling. It's disappointment.
Discomfort, that's a good word. It feels uncomfortable inside.
Yes. Upset is often mixed with sadness. If you're mad, you're not usually sad. You're just fiery.
True. When I'm mad, I'm ready to argue. When I'm upset, I might just get quiet.
Exactly. You would never ask a crying person, why are you angry?
No, that would be so weird. You'd ask, why are you upset?
Right. It connects to that softer emotion. Here's another example. A student takes a big test, studies for weeks, but she fails.
Oh, that hurt.
She isn't shouting. She's just quiet, looking at her paper.
She was upset about the result.
Perfect. She's
Yeah.
disappointed. She's hurt.
Can you be upset with a person?
Definitely. And this is where it gets really useful in relationships.
How so?
Because sometimes angry is just too strong. It starts a fight.
I'm angry with you sounds like battle stations.
It does. It's aggressive. But if I say, I'm upset with you,
It sounds softer. It means you hurt my feelings.
exactly. It invites a conversation, not a fight. It
Uh-huh.
shows you're hurt.
It's the rain, not the fire.
Yes.
You know, this makes me think of something that happened a few weeks ago.
Oh, yeah. What happened?
I had dinner plans with a friend. We hadn't seen each other in ages.
Okay.
We were going to my favorite pizza place. I had been thinking about this pizza all day.
I know that feeling. You were ready.
I was so ready. It was 6 o'clock. I'm putting my shoes on and my phone buzzes.
Oh, no.
A text from him. So sorry, can't make it.
Last minute.
Last minute.
So how did you feel? The honest truth.
At first, I was
That's
mad.
fire.
Total fire. I was mad because I was hungry. I was thinking, are you kidding me?
A very natural reaction.
Totally. But then I made myself wait before I texted back. I ate a sandwich.
Hunger went away.
The fire went down.
Hmm.
And I sat there and I still felt bad, but it was different.
The rain.
It was the rain. I realized I wasn't mad anymore. I was just upset
Upset
because I really wanted to see my friend. I was disappointed. The pizza wasn't the real reason.
that is such a perfect example.
Right. I wasn't angry with him and I wasn't mad anymore. I was just upset with the situation.
So what did you text back?
I just said, I'm upset we can't meet, but I understand. Let's reschedule.
And that's the perfect use of the word. And it shows how feelings can change. First fire, then rain.
It's funny how knowing the words helps you understand the feeling.
It really does.
So let's do a quick review for everyone listening.
Good idea. Let's recap.
First up, angry.
Angry. The serious fire. Clear, direct, and focused. For work or for serious problems.
It means business.
Then we have mad.
Mad, the casual fire. Emotional, explosive, and usually temporary. For everyday frustrations, my mom was mad. Don't be mad.
The flash of heat.
And finally, upset.
Upset. The rain. The hurt feeling. It's about disappointment, sadness, and discomfort.
I was upset when I lost my phone.
Or my pen.
Or your pen. We are going to find that pen.
I hope so.
Okay, before we go, we have a question for you, the listener.
Yes. Think about your own week.
Try to notice the difference between the fire and the rain in your life.
Ask yourself, what is one thing that makes you mad? Maybe when your computer freezes.
And what is one thing that makes you upset? Maybe hearing some sad news.
Notice that feeling. Is it an explosion or is it a heavy hurt feeling?
It's a great way to practice. Next time you feel bad, just stop and ask, am I mad or am I just upset?
It will definitely help you communicate better.
Absolutely. Well, I think that covers it. I hope you aren't upset that we're finished.
I see what you did there. No, I'm happy we talked about this. I feel better.
Me too. Now let's find that pen. Thanks for listening. If you'd like more episodes like this, you can subscribe to the channel. See you next time.